Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about what is called the 3D body scanning, and we're going to find out, is 3D body scanning actually going to replace the traditional tape body measurement in fashion design or in pattern drafting? But first of all, what exactly is 3D body scanning? Let's go. Essentially, a 3D body scan is a technology where your body is scanned to get your measurement. And it's a kind of thing that actually captures your perfect figure. Now, the reason that this particular technology is of importance when it comes to the fashion industry is that a lot of these fashion houses do not sell 40% of their goods every year, because you find out that a lot of people do not find sizes that fit them according to your body shape. Different people have different body shapes. Most times if I go to the supermarket, or if I go to the fashion house and I want to buy a ready-made dress, I find out that if I'm size 14, you pick up a size 14 dress, you put it on, you find out that the bust can be okay, but the hips is too tight. That's because I'm probably not size 14 in my hips. So that is essentially the problem. So we are looking at this scanning, this 3D body scanning, as a kind of solution to a perfect fit. So first, how exactly does this 3D scanning thing work, especially for most of these huge fashion industries? The first thing is that you actually stand in front of this 3D scanning machine. It scans your body, it takes your body measurements, it takes everything that has to do with how your body looks. It is recorded on a computer, and that is exactly what the scan looks like. So once these measurements are gotten on the computer, it is stored, and then a kind of 3D image of your body is created, and then all the measurements are then measured and stored in this 3D measuring device. And that is what is going to be used to actually do the tailoring, the cutting and the sewing of garments. So how exactly does this 3D body scan software actually work? There is a company that is called Unspun. I think that they deal with jeans, perfect fitting jeans. So once you've chosen perhaps the color you want, the style you want of the jeans, there's an app that you now download that is a 3D scanning app. The app now scans your measurement using your phone, and then once this scan is ready, you can now send it to the company, and then these jeans will be produced according to your size and according to your shape. And a lot of review over this method of sewing has actually shown that such jeans has a better fitting and fits closely to the body and all that. So when this is actually done by a lot of industries, a lot of waste will be avoided by the fashion industries, because of having a lot of clothes, trousers, to name but a few, that does not really fit the customers the way they want it to fit them. I think that this is actually the future of fashion. That this is the secret to sewing clothes that will fit customers perfectly according to their body shape. And now, if this really is the future of fashion, the future of taking measurements for the body to produce perfect fit, to reduce waste in terms of fashion waste, and that will also help in sustainable fashion production, then I'm all for it. And I think a lot of fashion industries should start thinking of using 3D body scans to be able to make fitting clothes, because humans have different body shapes, and the only way you can make clothes to fit these body shapes is to create clothes that fit customers individually according to their body makeup, according to their original shapes. Now, what are the advantages of using this 3D body scan technology? There is what is called a virtual try-on for most of these stores, even for some e-commerce stores. I think there are some e-commerce stores online that have actually started these virtual try-ons. The 3D body scans, because it actually scans your body shape and your figure onto a computer, you can use this 3D model of yourself and then try on different clothes to see what it looks like on you, to see how you will appear on different kinds of clothes with different color shades and all that. And that, for me, is fantastic, because it actually helps you to make an informed decision. It helps the customer to be able to buy the particular cloth that not just fits you, but a cloth that has a color shade that also fits your color. Now, is this technology going to continue in the future? We really don't know, but I think it has to do with the customer acceptance. If customers can accept it, if customers can become more aware of it, I think it's going to be something that is really going to change the way the fashion industry is all about. It's going to change the way people even shop online on e-commerce stores. I mean, if you can try on clothes without actually wearing them, who wouldn't want to try that on first before going through the hassle of actually buying it and wearing it? So if you can have a virtual try-on through this 3D scanning system, then why not? That is something I think that should be the future of fashion. With this, I've come to this video. I hope you actually enjoyed it, and I hope it is a particular trend that you will be interested in. I am already interested in it because it can save a lot of waste, and it can also save a lot of time when it comes to buying your fashion products, either in the store or online. Thank you for watching till my next video.